We have to do this urgent update, everybody, because Riot squeezed 23%, Mara 6%, and Coinbase 7%. You know why? Because the halving is getting near, everybody. Bitcoin doing all right, and we have the 600 or 66,600. This is the new number for price target for BTC for today. And of course, we have a big buyer for Bitcoin over the 59,600, huge buyer, guys. That's why we see a FOMO for crypto stocks, because market maker bought Bitcoin over the 60,000, and we have the reversal before the squeeze over the 74,000 at the end of this month. So what we should do, we have to prepare before of this happening, because would be too late. The first reaction, we have Riot, we discussed before. We said Riot is undervalued, and if it squeeze, will squeeze first. And that's what happened exactly, because we reversed from the $7.77 and we did 23%, and even we broke a major resistance right now after hours. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss Mara, Coinbase, and Riot. But we have to discuss Riot first, because this is the first crypto stock on the list that started to squeeze. I have to do this urgent update because I saw this reaction and said, oh man, this is it, it's happening. Because Riot, it was the first one is squeezing. As everybody knows, the market maker buying always the discounted price. We said before that Riot is undervalued between the other crypto stock, because we calculated in the last video, we said Riot pumped down almost 57%. For Mara, the same, we have here almost 57%, the same reaction. But for Riot, tested the support precisely over the $7.77. So Mara, it might start to squeeze for tomorrow, because Riot, it followed the same reaction as Mara. So now Riot reverse since our bottom over 50%, everybody. And this is just the start, because once Riot reverse, it do at least 77%, or even better, 100%. So now we are halfway out for this squeeze, because we expect another 50% if only if Bitcoin squeeze over the 74. This is it, guys. If we have to squeeze over the 74 and we go toward the 100,000, mark my word, this one will be crazy jump. Again, this is not a financial advice, everybody. You have to do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. However, here it look just right, because this has happened before. Now it's happening again. The first level that we might have a test for, at least for this week, is the 1313, where we might have another seller will short Riot a bit. So here we're gonna have a test, and we might get rejected around or between the 1360 and the 1313. So this area should be a testing area for Riot to confirm if the buyers still strong or not. Because if we got rejected here, we need to hold over the 1130 to continue toward the $18. For Mara, on the other hand, we have to hold now the bottom that we confirmed over the 1420. We have the profit taking is coming near around the $20. So this is the resistance plus the profit taking, where we're gonna have a pullback for Mara. If we held the next time over the 1745, this will confirm that the buyer bought big position for Mara over the 1711. So this is the current support. The current resistance is around the 20, and we have the 24.55, and this is might give us another 40% for Mara. For Coinbase, on the other hand, looking pretty nice. We have a bit of resistance coming up for tomorrow for Coinbase to confirm another buyer over the 228. You see, we have a bit of wicks happening over this resistance. We're going to confirm it by tomorrow. To support still over the 193. We have this level to break by tomorrow or this week, because this jump will give us at least 13% for Coinbase. The 260. We're gonna do update, more urgent update, of course, for Coinbase, Mara, and Riot by tomorrow on our Discord first, because we always do major update here, guys, on our unicorn hunt and for day trades, and of course daily live streaming early one. So join us, the link in the comment section below if you want early access for those alerts. Otherwise, you could join us on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.